Hey future robot builders! Welcome to our awesome video on sensors in robotics. Have you ever wondered how robots see, hear, and feel? Well, today we're going to find out. So, let's dive into the world of sensors and discover how they help robots do incredible things. What exactly are sensors? Think of sensors as the robot's eyes, ears, and skin. Just like how we use our senses to understand the world around us, robots use sensors to gather information and make decisions. A sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. Sensors are crucial for the success of robotics in today's world. Types of sensors. There are many different types of sensors, and each one has a special job. Let's meet some of the coolest sensors out there. Vision sensors. These are like the robot's eyes. They help robots see by capturing images and videos. Robots can use vision sensors to recognize faces, objects, and even read text. Sound sensors. Just like our ears, sound sensors help robots hear. They can detect noises, recognize voices, and even play music. Temperature sensors. These sensors help robots feel the heat or cold. They can measure the temperature of the environment, which is super important for robots working in different conditions. Touch sensors. Imagine a robot with a sense of touch. These sensors can detect when something is touching them, just like how we feel when we touch something with our hands. Infrared sensors. These sensors can see things that are invisible to our eyes, like heat. They're often used in night vision cameras and can detect movement in the dark. Sensors help robots in so many ways. Here are some cool examples. Self-driving cars. These cars use vision sensors and radar to see the road, recognize traffic signs, and avoid obstacles. Home assistants. Robots like Roomba use sensors to navigate around your house and clean up without bumping into things. Medical robots. Some robots use touch sensors to perform delicate surgeries with precision. Logistics and warehouse robots. Sensors in autonomous mobile robots helps to make supply chains more efficient. The future of sensors in robotics is super exciting. Scientists and engineers are always working on new sensors to make robots even smarter and more helpful. Maybe one day, you'll invent a new type of sensor that changes the world. Thanks for watching Future Inventors. Remember, the world of robotics is full of endless possibilities, and sensors are just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun and educational content. See you next time. Visit us at sarasrobotics.com.